These are the 3 settings you need to change in your YouTube studio right now if you want YouTube to start recommending your videos, therefore helping you to get more views and grow your channel faster. Here's the honest truth. If you are a new channel, YouTube has no idea what your channel is about and who should see your videos. In simple words, the algorithm doesn't have enough data about your channel or content yet. But there's actually a way to fix this. These secret settings I'm about to show you are going to help you to provide all the necessary information that YouTube needs to know about your channel and your content. It is going to help you teach the algorithm who you are and who should see your videos, therefore helping YouTube to start recommending your videos to the right people so you can get more views. So let's start with the first one. Channel keywords. These are invisible keywords that describes your entire channel. These keywords tells YouTube what your channel is about and also help YouTube to understand the right audience for your channel. Go to your channel on YouTube, then click on your profile. Go to YouTube Studio, then click on settings. Click on channel. You're going to find the keywords section here just below. This is very crucial if you want YouTube to start recommending your videos. Add keywords that are relevant to your channel. You can add broad keywords in your niche. For example, if your channel is about YouTube growth, you can add YouTube growth hacks, YouTube tips, monetization, and so on. And also add phrases that your audience are likely going to search for on YouTube, like how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get more views on YouTube, and so on, if you do videos about YouTube growth. This is just a way of introducing your channel to YouTube. You have a maximum of 500 characters to describe your channel to YouTube. Don't forget to click on the save button at the bottom right corner to save your changes. If you don't know the right keywords to use, you can ask ChatGPT to help you generate channel keywords for your channel. These keywords are invisible and a regular viewer browsing through YouTube cannot see them, but they allow YouTube to start pushing your content to the right people, therefore helping you to start getting more views and grow your channel faster. Now that you have described your channel to YouTube, the second setting is to help YouTube put your videos in the right category. For example, if your video is about comedy and you specify the right category for it, YouTube knows to recommend your videos to people who like to watch comedy. But if you don't specify the right category for your videos, YouTube might recommend your videos to people who are not interested in the type of content you make, and that is going to kill your views. You can find this setting on the same menu. Click on Upload Default, then go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and you will find Category. This one simple setting is going to help YouTube to group or put your videos in the right category, therefore helping the algorithm to know the right category of people to push your videos to. So if your videos is about comedy, gaming, education, entertainment, or whatever, make sure you specify it right here if you want YouTube to start recommending your videos to more people. And now to the third and final setting, default tags. This one is good for new channels because when your channel is brand new and the algorithm doesn't have enough data about your channel, tags is one of the things that YouTube relies on to push your content. You can find this setting in the Upload Default section under the Basic Info tab. Scroll to the bottom and you're going to find tags. Put 3 to 10 tags that describes your channel as a whole. Just like the channel keywords, add some broad keywords in your niche and also include phrases that viewers are likely going to search for. So add default keywords here that reflects your niche. These tags will be automatically added to every single video you upload. Then later you can add more tags that are specific to individual videos when you are uploading your videos. What is cool about these settings in the Upload Default section is that everything you specify or put in there are going to reflect in all your future videos, therefore helping you to save a lot of time. You don't have to put or specify all these settings whenever you're uploading new videos. No extra work, no need to put them individually when uploading new videos, and no need to remember anything, except you make a particular video whose settings doesn't align with what you have in the Upload Default. And then you can change the settings for that particular video when you're uploading it. These 3 important settings are like a GPS to your channel and your content. They describe your channel and tells YouTube who should see your videos so that your videos can be recommended to more people. Unfortunately, most creators don't know they exist and don't even touch them at all, thereby hurting their views and retarding their growth. It's like you meeting someone by the roadside and asking for a direction to a place without giving them enough data or information about the place. They can't take you to where you want to go. So start applying these settings today and give YouTube more information about your channel and who should see your videos. And YouTube is going to push your content to the right audience and you're going to start getting more views, more subscribers, more watch hours, and grow your channel faster. Getting recommended is easy, but hitting your first 1,000 subscribers can be really hard without the right strategy. So if you want to get your first 1,000 subscribers faster, I just made a video I want you to watch next. And if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.